friends, welcome! I'm Mitra and this is my lovely daughter. Today we want to draw Marrow, a super cute kitty's friend. We use markers, but you can use anything you have. Don't forget graph of paper and something for coloring. Are you ready?
Yes, let's go.
Yes, let's go! Let's start with the eyes, just like this. A straight little line and a curvy twist. One straight line and one curved line. Okay, now a tiny curve inside the eye, like this. Then do the same on the other side. Do the same on the other side.
Don't forget like, don't forget subscribe.
And don't forget write a comment, and don't forget hit the bell so you won't miss our next video. Time for the big, so smile and sweet. A triangle first.
Yes.
Okay, a triangle first. Then a curve to complete. Thank you. Now let's draw the face, nice and round, a half circle shape going down, down, down.
Yes.
A half circle shape going down, down, down. Thank you. Now let's draw the body. Before that, time for the hair. Let's zigzag with zigzag lines, just like that. 1, 2, 3, and 4.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Now let's draw the body. Don't you stop, one curved line on the each side, drop by drop, left and right. Yes. Left and right. Then a straight line connects them below. Now draw a half circle right in the middle.
Yes.
That's the belly, just like riddle. The body is done. Now let's draw some hands with 2 curved lines. 1, 2.
1, 2.
Okay, now the legs, so short and sweet. 2 tiny curved lines to make it complete. 1 and 2. Okay, and we're all done. Give yourself a cheer. Our drawing is amazing. Let's all clap here. Now let's draw 4 cute Easter egg on the ground, just like oval side. 1, 2, 3, and one here, 4. Thank you. start coloring. Okay, our friends, we finished our coloring and drawing Marrow and his Easter eggs. Don't forget like and don't forget write a comment and don't forget subscribe us. If you draw Marrow, send the picture to us via email and on Instagram page. We love you. Keep smiling. See you on next video. Bye bye.
Bye bye.